to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I apply my false lashes. I had a couple people ask me how to do this, so I am just going to do a video on it. It's going to be super short and simple, straight to the point. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to just start by applying mascara to my natural lashes. You always want to do this before you try to glue on lashes, because you just want to make sure the lashes have something to stick to, and the mascara helps with that. So now after your mascara has dried, you want to go in with your lash glue. Here I'm using the Duo Lash Glue in clear. And basically I'm not going to put this on the lash. I'm going to actually put it on my lash line. I find it better that way because the glue dries down more tacky, and it dries down where you want it and not on the lash. Whereas if you mess up when you place the lash on your eye, the glue's not going to get everywhere. It's already where it's supposed to be. Okay y'all, so now that your lash glue has dried down a bit and is now tacky, you want to take your lashes, and these lashes already have been trimmed and fit for my eye shape. And you're basically just going to take your outer corner of your eye and stretch it and place your eyelash right in the middle, and basically make sure that you have it where you want it, and then stick down the outside, and then I go in with to the inside of the lash. And as you can see, the glue is really tacky, so you just want to kind of play with it until you get it where you want it. If you are having problems with, like, it feels like something's poking you in your eye, or it feels uncomfortable, lashes are not supposed to feel like that. That most likely means that it's not in the right spot and you need to redo it. So basically always remember that to measure your lashes and trim them accordingly to your eye. Just always remember to trim the eyelash from the outer corner and not the inner corner. You always want to do it from the outer corner because the inner corner 9 times out of 10 is smaller and less fluffy, I guess if you understand what I'm trying to say. So it's always either shorter, like the lash grows bigger on the outside, so you have more room to cut on the outside of the lash without it affecting the actual false eyelash shape, if you understand that better. Okay, so I'm just going to show y'all again how I do this. Basically you just stretch the outer part of your eye. This eye is always harder for me, but yeah, you always stretch the outer part of your eye, and you just set the lash on top, right in the middle of your eye, and then you just place it where you want it. And you start with, on this side I started with the outer corner. It's really up to you how you want to do it, but basically you just fit it and you place it where you want it, and you just kind of play with it until you get it to where you want it. And then here I'm just taking my lash tweezers, and I'm just squeezing my false lashes with my real lashes, making sure they're blended real well and that the lash line is not showing. Like there should be no gap in between your false lashes and your real lashes. That that was it for the eyelash application. So now I'm just adding some bottom mascara, and that'll conclude the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you made it this far, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for me. Please, if y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and also let me know what you guys would like to see from me in the comments down below. But again, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all on Friday.